Say, I miss you. What you doing? Oh, Harper wants to say hi too. Can you say hi to Grandma and Poppy? What's that face? Silly girl. What are you doing? You don't want them to witness you choking on a bagel. Lincoln, that's a really big bite. What else do you have to say to Grandma and Poppy?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Love you, Poppy.
Say, I love you, Grandma.
Love you, Grandma.
All right. Say, I'll talk to you later.
Talk to you later.
See you later, alligator.
Later.
To show them your alligator. Pretend to be an alligator. What does an alligator do?
Chop, chop.
Chomp chomp?
Chop, chop.
So you go bite people? Go. Go. Rawr. Are you an alligator?
What? I can't bite her.
Are you an alligator?
You.
Now you're a snake?
You.
A silly snake? What do you want, little lady? Okay, say bye-bye.